girls, good morning. Hi, guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is a fun. Today, our topic is the use of imperatives in spoken English language. Guys and girls, imperatives are used to give orders and to make requests. Let us make a practice with generally spoken imperatives. As you see on this whiteboard, the first imperative is wash your face, wash your face, wash your face, wash your face. अपना चेहरा धोइए, अपना चेहरा धो लीजिए. Next imperative is follow me please, follow me please, follow me please, follow me please. मेहरबानी करके मेरी पैरवी करें. Next is don't fight, don't fight, मत झगड़िए. Don't fight, मत झगड़िए. Don't fight, मत झगड़िए. Next one is chew the food well, chew the food well, chew the food well. Chew the food well. खुराक को अच्छी तरह चबाएं. Chew the food well. Chew the food well. खुराक को अच्छी तरह चबाएं. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. हाथ मिलाइए. Shake hands. हाथ मिलाइए. Next one is always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. हमेशा सच बोलिए. Always speak the truth. हमेशा सच बोलिए. Next is work hard boys, work hard boys, work hard boys, work hard boys. लड़कों मेहनत कीजिए. And next is brush the teeth, brush the teeth, brush the teeth, brush the teeth. दांत साफ कीजिए. Next is finish the work, finish the work, finish the work. काम खत्म कीजिए. And the next imperative is wear the mask, wear the mask. Wear the mask, wear the mask, wear the mask. Mask पहनिए. And next is do it now, do it now, do it now, do it now. इसे अभी कीजिए. And the last imperative is lit the bulb, lit the bulb, lit the bulb, lit the bulb. बल्ब जला दीजिए. Lit the bulb, बल्ब जला दीजिए. You see guys, why again pronounce these imperatives. First one is wash your face, अपना चेहरा धो लीजिए. Next is follow me please, मेहरबानी करके मेरी पैरवी कीजिए. Next one is don't fight, मत झगड़िए. And the very next is chew the food well, खुराक को अच्छी तरह चबाएं. And second, shake hands, हाथ मिलाइए. Shake hands, हाथ मिलाइए. Next is always speak the truth, always speak the truth. हमेशा सच बोलिए. Next is work hard boys, work hard boys, work hard boys. लड़कों मेहनत कीजिए. Next is brush the teeth, brush the teeth, brush the teeth. दांत साफ कीजिए. And next is finish the work, finish the work, finish the work. काम खत्म कीजिए. Next one is wear the mask, wear the mask. Wear the mask, wear the mask, wear the mask. Mask पहनिए. Next is do it now, do it now, do it now. इसे अभी कीजिए. Do it now, इसे अभी कीजिए. Last one is lit the bell, lit the bell, lit the bell, lit the bell. बल्ब जला दीजिए. Very rightly, guys and girls. I hope you will make a lot of practice and pronounce these imperatives in a proper sense, in a proper way. So doing this practice you would be able to speak a good English. Thank you. See you again. Goodbye.